I wanted to buy this Duktig Kinder pan set for my Indian cooking. So I bought it, not knowing it is, yeah, it's a toy kind of. Or I just researched a bit in YouTube, and it shows most of the times that it can be used for cooking. Uh, Many experienced campers have used this particular product. Then I thought, okay, I can go for it. But to just check my doubt or double check my doubt, I just messaged IKEA help desk on Twitter. Yeah, it does mention on the website as well. So yeah, I just wanted to check them with them because others were using it. So I thought, okay, I can also use it. So yeah. Then when I checked with them, they have actually responded quickly, rather, and they informed me that yeah, please don't use it for real cooking. Use it as a toy. So yeah, currently I'm using it as a toy for my son. Thank you. Hope this clarifies. Thanks so much.